The 7,000 square foot custom-built house sits on 40 deeded acres and is being sold with a highly coveted share of Highland Irrigation Water. The views west from the open floor plan show the majestic Rocky Mountains that border the Front Range of Colorado. Privacy with amenities is the first thought when looking at this beautiful home outside of Longmont, Colorado. The custom-built home was built in 2001 and features 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms with a full master bedroom on both floors. The floor plan is extremely open and natural light pours in from all angles of the home through its pillow windows. The spacious living room sits in the center of the home, right next to the walkout patio. The living room fades into the stunning kitchen and dining room. Upstairs, you will find several guest rooms, and the extravagant walkway will guide you across the upper level, allowing you to see almost every inch of the lower floor and surrounding landscape. Both master bedrooms feature walkout patios and gorgeous bathrooms with walk-in closets. Stunning finishes include #1 birch wood floors, cherry cabinets, Wolf appliances, and the house has a geothermal system throughout. There's a backup natural gas generator that can run the house if there's a power outage. There is a 3-car garage built onto the house with an additional 4-car garage with full pull-through doors for a truck and trailer. The detached garage features a large woodworking shop along with upstairs storage. Immaculate landscaping was integrated into the property with large boulders and foliage surrounding the home. The property features 39 irrigated acres and the hay production on the farm is great. The hay shed located on the property holds 250 small bales. There's a horse lean-to that opens to a riding arena and horse runs with automatic waterers located in the runs. A unique aspect of this property is that it sits in Colorado Big Game Unit 20, and the sellers have qualified for land depredation cow elk tags in the past. Elk can be seen frequently on the property during the fall and winter months. There's also great waterfowl hunting on the property to be had, and there's an existing goose hunting pit in the field. Longmont is a short 15-minute drive down the road, while Fort Collins is within 30 minutes. For additional recreation, Rocky Mountain National Park is only 33 miles to the west and offers endless outdoor activities. For more information or to set up your own personal qualified showing, call Jake Highland or James Gentry